This is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can turn off or bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can see from this balloon looking icon, my parental controls are indeed active. So here is the confirmation. Now, in order for me to get rid of it, I'll need to launch settings, enter Google category, then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, we will need to open the Data and Privacy page, scroll it all the way down, and then tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. In order to continue at this stage, I will need to input the account password, so let me quickly do that. At the following Delete Your Google Account page, check the two boxes you have at the bottom of the page, and then delete account, like that. At this point, the parental controls should have been successfully deactivated. As you can see from the status bar, they are no longer active, or they should not be active any longer. So let me launch settings and check. Yep, so no Google account linked to the system anymore. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. Great success. So from now on, I will only need to recover the Google account, which can be easily done by using it to log into Google app, like Play Store, for example. So if you would like to restore the account you have just deleted, so it will not be lost or permanently deleted, you can open the Play Store and sign in with the said account. This is the message you should get. Then after this message appears, follow it by inputting the account password. And more often than not, you should get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. After you receive it, simply re-enter your account credentials. And second time, it usually allows you to go through, continue the sign-in, thus recover the account without any issues, which is absolutely true in my case, as you can apparently see. So I'll quickly finalize the Google Play Store login and show you that the account was successfully recovered and is perfectly active and fine now. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.